Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inus are being welcomed by an increasing number of businesses worldwide, which is a trend that we are seeing. We recently had another one released, I suppose. Shibarium is now accepted by 400 more businesses worldwide. Thus, Nance collaborates with EventPay to offer Shiba Inu payments to more than 400 international retailers. This is a huge event because Nance Pay, a payment provider with over 400 active merchants that operates in 7 countries, has partnered with EventPay to make cryptocurrency easy to use. You have it then. One more substantial business that, has the network and infrastructure to connect a number of retailers to Binance so that customers may purchase and sell cryptocurrency. And that's significant because many of those smaller nations, particularly those that are currently experiencing hyperinflation, are more inclined to jump into cryptocurrencies. We've seen this happen previously. Shiba Inu is also not an exception. You better believe the price will rise if Shiba Inus are taken up by one of these nations. That's a significant one as well. This collaboration occurs as PI, with Portugal as a primary priority, focuses on growing its services in the European market. The company is headquartered at the Fintech House, Portugal's largest fintech, RegTech, Intertech, and cybersecurity hub, and is already one of the largest cryptocurrency payment providers for vendors and retail systems in the EU. Notable partners include KPMG, Visa, and BPI. I'm prepared, so I'm eager to find out what happens next. Bye. As Shiba Inu was also removed by Nance from the innovation zone. Since the Shiba Inu ecosystem is no longer a minor project, Finance moved it out of the innovation zone, which was intended for smaller enterprises. It's a real, sizable project. It's been around for a sufficient amount of time. That is a really strong vote of confidence. That's something to be happy about. We also learned that gold could be purchased. Shiba Inu and AP recently discussed this. It's really fascinating that Mex-American Gold Exchange, Bullion Exchanges, and Best Bullion have recently partnered with a top cryptocurrency payment gateway that enables its users to buy gold using Shiba Inu. What do you think of all this widespread international acceptance? In any case, you won't make millions overnight from stuff like, I'm not suggesting that's going to happen. That's the name of the game. This won't happen overnight. Most likely, nothing you do won't make you a millionaire overnight. However, you often hear tales about how those who suddenly become millionaires had been holding on for a very long time. Therefore, nothing major occurs overnight. The holding that they have been doing for a while has caused it to change, possibly overnight. So here we are, looking at the state of the market. Today, we experienced some green and some tiny pullbacks, but we are also witnessing some possibilities. This week, a lot of data will be released, and when the economic data does, the market will spike as a result of the shock. For the effects of bad news, the market has prepared. So that's why the markets are down. But I have every confidence that, as you are aware, Bitcoin will immediately return to its previous level of $30,000 this week. Anyway, I really appreciate all of you. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the next video.